Hello, today we will guide you through how to sign up for Thinkorswim Guest Pass. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and clear so you can get your temporary access set up without any confusion. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Thinkorswim Guest Pass. This is the easiest way to land on the official page without memorizing a URL. In the search results, look for the official page hosted by Charles Schwab. You should see a result that references Thinkorswim and mentions a guest pass. Click that result to continue. On the Thinkorswim information page, find and select the button or link that says Sign Up for a Guest Pass. This will take you to the Guest Pass sign-up form. You're in the right place if you see a clean, simple form with fields for your personal details and a question about your country of residence. Enter your first name exactly as you'd like it to appear. Then, enter your last name. Take a moment to make sure there are no typos. Accurate information helps avoid issues later. Next, enter your email address. Use an email you check regularly and double-check spelling before you move on. Many confirmations and instructions rely on a correct email, so accuracy here is important. You'll see a question about whether you live in the United States. Answer it honestly. If you do not live in the US, select No. This ensures the system presents the correct terms and availability for your region. When your details look good, click Continue. If the button isn't active, scan the form for any fields highlighted in red or messages that indicate something needs to be corrected. Fix those items, then try Continue again. From here, simply follow your on-screen procedure. You may be shown brief disclosures, a summary of your information, or confirmation messaging. Just proceed through each screen as prompted until you reach the final confirmation that your Guest Pass request has been received. If the page seems to take a moment to load, give it time and avoid refreshing, as that can interrupt the process. That's all there is to it. By searching for the official page, clicking Sign Up for a Guest Pass, entering your name and email, indicating your residency, and selecting Continue, you've completed the key steps. Keep the tab open until you see confirmation and follow any guidance displayed on screen. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring Thinkorswim with your Guest Pass.